Welcome to SpringsConcrete.com, your partner in Colorado's best heated driveways. Buying a heated driveway and what you should expect. Your initial customer inquiry and consultation. Upon your initial inquiry, whether by phone, email, or our website, expect a prompt response within 24 hours. We will gather basic information about your project and schedule a detailed consultation to understand your specific needs, preferences, and timeline. We aim to educate you on the options available and provide rough cost estimates to help guide your decision-making process. We also offer the option of providing you with a preliminary proposal remotely. Site assessment and custom proposal. We'll schedule a visit to your property to assess the installation site. Expect us to inspect the area thoroughly, taking into account the size, slope, and any specific challenges. We utilize the latest technology to accurately measure your driveway and capture crucial information, including size, slope, and elevation changes. We will need to arrange for an independent electrician to evaluate your existing electrical infrastructure and usage, as well as discuss any permits that may be required. This will enable them to determine any necessary upgrades based on the electrical requirements of the system. Following our assessment, you'll receive a custom design plan and a detailed proposal, including a breakdown of cost, project timeline, and payment terms. We encourage you to review this proposal and discuss any questions or adjustments you may have. Agreement and project planning. Once you're ready to move forward, we'll finalize the agreement and schedule your project, considering factors like weather conditions and material delivery. A clear contract will outline the project scope, payment details, and other important terms. You'll be kept informed of any preparations needed on your end before the project begins. Preparation and installation. Our team will prepare the site, which may include demolition, setting up the forms, installing base material, and the installation of steel wire mesh reinforcement. Our team will lay out the heating elements according to the CAD plan provided by the draftsman and secure them to the wire mesh by using zip ties. Once everything is in place, we'll pour and finish the concrete, followed by a curing period, usually 7 days of no vehicle traffic. Rest assured, we will perform thorough testing of the heating elements at 3 key stages to ensure your new heated driveway functions perfectly. The first test will occur upon the unboxing of the elements, the second after they are securely attached to the wire mesh, and the third once the concrete has been laid. The electrician will conduct the test and record the data, which will be essential for your warranty. Finalization and payment. Upon completion, we'll walk you through a final inspection to ensure your satisfaction and provide an orientation on operating and maintaining your new driveway. After addressing any remaining questions, we will issue a final invoice and provide detailed warranty and support information. Customer satisfaction, follow-up, and ongoing support. Expect a follow-up from us after the first snowfall to ensure the system is meeting your expectations. We offer ongoing maintenance and support services to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your driveway. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're committed to providing continuous support for any future needs. Thank you for considering us for your heated driveway needs. We are here to assist and guide you through every step of the decision-making process. For any further information or questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 719-963-3927 or visit our website at SpringsConcrete.com.